Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To get to the plate light bulb, you can reach underneath. You'll turn it counterclockwise to unlock it. Pull it out of the hole, and you can pull it down. This one is actually burnt out, so you take it out. And put the new one in, so push it straight in. And reach up, get back into the housing. You might have to turn it a little bit to find the openings for those little keys. Push it in and turn it counterclockwise to lock it.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.